How to adjust the transparency of any element in Canva. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can adjust the transparency of any element in your Canva design, be it an image, a sticker, a shape, or let's say even a video. In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can change the transparency of any element. So let's start. So in order to start, the first thing that we are going to do is open up our Canva application. So currently I have done so in my Windows 11 computer right here. So you can also do it in your mobile device if you are watching it for Android. So now let us create a new design in our Canva for Windows. In order to create a new design, you can either click onto this create button over the top left or this plus icon over the tab side. So let's click onto this button, and from here you can see that you will have a number of options to create a design. So let's search for any design. So for example, let us choose a presentation. So let me quickly choose any of the presentation. Let's say a 16:9 presentation. So here I've clicked onto the 16:9 presentation, and here we are inside our canvas for our presentation. So let me quickly add any element. So let me go to elements, and from here you can see there are some elements. Let us add any element. For example, let's say a shape. So let's say this square shape right here. So as here you can see that this is a square shape, and we can change its transparency by clicking onto this particular shape, and then from here you can see this particular button that says transparency. So simply click onto this transparency button and you will have this slider right here, and currently you can see that the transparency value is 100. In order to increase or decrease, you can simply drag this slider to the left or right. As you can see, as I'm dragging this slider towards the left hand side, you can see that the square is getting a lot more transparent. So if I completely drag it, you can see that now you can see the background of this particular slide or presentation. But if I will bring that back to 100, you can see that now the shape is there. So now let's do this for a photo as well. So let me quickly add a photograph into my presentation. So for example, let's say I've added this particular photograph, and now I want to change its transparency. So let me add it right here, and then the procedure is the same. Once you will select it, you can see this option. Simply click onto this transparency button, and from here you can adjust the transparency. This is also identical for any video. So let's add a video. For example, let's say this one. So here you can see that the video is playing, and in order to change its transparency, you select it, you hit the transparency button, and using this slider you can make it transparent or less transparent according to your specific requirements. Or if you want a particular percentage of transparency, so for example let's say 50%, you can also type down from here by clicking onto the backspace and typing in 50 using your keyboard and hitting the enter button. And here you can see that the transparency has been now set according to your specific needs in this particular presentation. So that's how easily you can change or adjust the transparency of any element in your Canva presentation or Canva design. So thanks for watching this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.